Students, today we will discuss the simple way to get the values of trigonometric table. The angles are written horizontally in increasing order: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And the ratios are written vertically in the order sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. First, sin theta values, that is the first horizontal row. As the angles start from 0 degree, write numbers from 0 for each angle. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last number is 4, so divide all numbers by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Simplify to get 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. Take square root of the values obtained. Square root 0, square root 1 by 4, square root 1 by 2, square root 3 by 4, square root 1. Simplify to get 0, square root 1 by square root 4, square root 1 by square root 2, square root 3 by square root 4, 1. Further simplify to get the values of sin theta: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by square root 2, square root 3 by 2, 1. For cos theta values, just write the values of sin theta in reverse order. That is, fifth value becomes first, fourth value becomes second, and so on. We know tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Therefore, tan 0 degree is equal to sin 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree, which is equal to 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. For 30 degree, tan 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2 divided by square root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 by square root 3. 2 and 2 cancels off, which is equal to 1 by square root 3. For 45 degree, tan 45 degree is equal to sin 45 degree divided by cos 45 degree, which is equal to 1 by square root 2 divided by 1 by square root 2. 1 by square root 2 and 1 by square root 2 cancels off, which is equal to 1. For 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree divided by cos 60 degree, which is equal to square root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Square root 3 by 2 multiplied by 2 by 1. Here 2 and 2 cancels off, which is equal to square root 3. For 90 degree, tan 90 degree is equal to sin 90 degree divided by cos 90 degree, which is equal to 1 divided by 0, which is not defined. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore, cosec 0 degree is reciprocal of the value of sin 0 degree. That is, reciprocal of 0, which is not defined. In the same way, we get the remaining ratios of cosec theta. Cosec 30 degree is equal to 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. Cosec 45 degree is equal to square root 2. Cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by square root 3. Cosec 90 degree is reciprocal of 1, which is equal to 1. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Not defined value comes alternatively end to end. Let us repeat once again in the shortest way. For sin theta values, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. then divide it by 4 and simplify. Now take square root and simplify to get sin theta values. For cos theta values, write the sin theta values in reverse order. For tan theta values, divide corresponding sin theta value by cos theta value. For cosec theta values, write reciprocal of corresponding sin theta values. For sec theta values, write reciprocal of corresponding cos theta values. For cot theta values, write reciprocal of corresponding tan theta values.